Kia ora no whānau, ko Stacey Takuimua. E ko tēnei te kupu o tera. He mihi. Mihi. To greet or a greeting. And some examples of the use of this word in sentences. I'm just reading from the website. You can go to this website. It's called kupu.maori.nz. So kupu.maori.nz. Okay, so here are some sentences. He mihi tērā ki te whānau whānui. That was a greeting to the extended family. He mihi tērā ki te whānau whānui. Number 2. E tū ki te mihi. E tū ki te mihi. Stand up to greet. You always got to stand up, especially for your elders. Number 3. Mihi atu ki o kaumātua. Mihi atu ki o kaumātua. Greet your elders. If you go to the marae, you know, if you don't greet the elders properly, you get a clip around the head. So it's better to greet them properly. Number 3. Kei te mihi te karaua ki ngā manuhiri. The elderly man is greeting the visitors. So when you go to a marae, you always have the kaumātua who's out the front greeting everyone. So, kei te mihi te karaua ki ngā manuhiri. Number 4. He pai tā te karaua mihi. The elderly man's greeting was appropriate. He pai tā te karaua mihi. And so that's our kupu o te rā. Remember, ka oe whakamā, don't be shy. Make sure you use some Māori language in your conversations today. And one way to mihi people is to give them a hongi, so give you a hongi. Hope you feel the love and go spread the love today. Okay, kia ora.